Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the Colors Queen Catwalk Makeup Kit, a fantastic set for women that comes with 32 matte shimmer and glitter eyeshadows, 3 highlighters, 3 compact powders, and an applicator, all designed to give you highly pigmented, long-wearing glam looks. Let's dive into this beauty gem and see if it struts its stuff on the makeup catwalk. First up, the packaging. It's sleek, stylish, and feels like a total vibe, perfect for your vanity or tossing into a travel bag with a handy mirror included. Inside the star of the show is the eyeshadow palette, 32 shades ranging from everyday matte nudes to bold shimmery coppers and dazzling glitters that scream party ready. I swatched a few, and wow, the pigmentation is seriously impressive, buttery smooth with intense color payoff. There's a tiny bit of fallout with the glitters, but nothing a quick tap can't fix. I blended a matte taupe in my crease and a shimmer gold on my lid. It's buildable and blends effortlessly. Next, the 3 highlighters. One's a soft glow, another a radiant pop, and the third a bold shimmer. I dabbed the radiant one on my cheekbones, and it's stunning, catches the light perfectly, and lasts all day without fading. Then the 3 compact powders, 2 matte and 1 shimmery. I used a matte one to set my base, and it's lightweight and smooth, keeping oil at bay for hours. The shimmery compact doubled as a subtle highlight, so versatile. The applicator is a nice touch, soft and great for quick application, though I love my own brushes for precision. This kit is marketed as waterproof and long-wearing, and it delivers. My look stayed flawless through a busy day. It's perfect for beginners or pros on a budget. Not luxury, but amazing value. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look with this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment.